So I decided to turn this gym supplement into possibly fruity ester using Fischer esterification. As an alcohol I decided to use butanol. So let's wait 10.5 grams of this citrulline malate. In gym it's good for endurance and pump. Okay, as always I had to clog my funnel. Surprisingly it wasn't a big deal to unclog, but I gotta pour slowly so it doesn't happen again. Okay, here I got my butanol and the measuring pipette. It's pretty dirty, but let's hope it doesn't matter. Wow, so precise. Let's go with this amount. Try not to spill everything. Yes. I can already smell it. Butanol doesn't smell very good like ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. And from my experience, isomyl alcohol smells even worse. It's on hot plate, somewhat in middle, drop in the steer bar. Turn on the steering. Oh no, again. It's too thick or powdery to be stirred. This is gonna be very interesting esterification. Citrulline is even worse than benzoic acid in this. Oh, okay, some stirring. Let's say it works. So let's now add some sulfuric acid as catalyst. From my very good experience, it's gonna boil alcohol on one spot. Let's see. Okay. I added a little bit too much, maybe like 3 times more than I wanted. I can smell butanol vapors. Can the stir bar please work? No, it can't. Let's turn on the heating and pretend it's not gonna char butanol and turn into gas station like fumes again. Yes, my first ester smelled like gasoline or whatever, because I overheated it and maybe too much sulfuric acid. Back like 2 hours later, let's unwrap this present. Oh, okay. Pretty expected to get dark, but... So let's add water to separate layers, oily ester and water, trash, unreacted stuff, whatever, and this effect with like oily syrup I haven't seen in any other esters. I have no idea what happened. Let's try to stir it. I'm adding table salt to salt out. That's the effect where basically helps separate organic layer like butyric acid, which is not this case, and the water layer. Great, I got layers separated, so let's use my favorite pipette. I only got one of these glass, and surprisingly I almost got it on one attempt. Pretty easy to collect. Smell test time. Okay, so I think it smells like ethyl butyrate, maybe because it was there last time, or isomyl alcohol. Not pleasant.